Welcome back to our garden in Wych Cross in Sussex. My name is Gary Covosso. I'm the chairman of Coolings Nurseries, and I'd like to introduce Ian Hazen, who is our production and operations director. You may recall, if you saw us speaking about this garden back in the middle of early spring, when there was very little to see, how enthusiastic we were about the garden. Well, now we absolutely would welcome you to come and have a look, because the flowers, the way in which the garden is beginning to mature already just after 3 or 4 months is just incredible. And you'll see the verbenas next to us, which were just here, Bonariensis, an absolutely outstanding plant. The butterflies love it, the bees love it, and you know, when we were here recently, it was just a few centimeters tall, and look at it now.
So this is the pump that the garden is named after. The original pump that was used to pump the water out of a borehole and a well further down the site to supply the whole site with water for all the plants that it used to grow here. We like water in our gardens, and there's a lot more to come. We've got the pond out that way, but we've also got a little fountain pond that we're going to be developing up here. We've got to now, the next stage is to get the electricity to it, get the fountains going, because one thing we think it lacks now is that sound of running water. So if we can get that back into the garden so you can hear it, there's a little river that's going to run down, we circulate the water to the pond, all very environmentally friendly, but great for the insects and the bees and things like that, that just need very shallow water to be able to drink on a hot day like it is today. Nothing says English country garden quite like roses. You know, there's lots of different varieties you can have, beautiful scents, climbers, shrub roses, all sorts of ones to fit all the different types of aspect or location you may have. So one thing is really important, always find some space for roses in your garden.